Garden plan visualizations and graphical plant control. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the visualization options available on Tisanji. First, we have different plant rendering modes. Shema showing the contours of the surfaces without showing the details of the plants. This is the least demanding visualization if you have large gardens and are using low-powered computers. Detail shows each plant as a colored circle. If an area contains more than 2,000 plants, we will not draw each one individually so as to not overload your graphics card. Fisa, Fisa shaded, and Fisa vegetable styles offer more natural renderings with or without shading, and in the vegetable style, the plant is replaced by a symbol of the vegetable. Finally, the Yes and Yes gradient styles, where the plants resemble hand-drawn designs. It is also possible to customize the colors and patterns of the plants in your plan. This allows you to better represent certain cultivars or visually differentiate between two similar species. Finally, the different visualizations are also available for printing, allowing you to create more natural plans to share. Since you can specify visualizations by layer, you can also use this feature to distinguish between plants to be planted and those already in situ, for example. Oh, by the way, if you wonder why we named our rendering Fisa and Yes, this is to honor our two first volunteers on Tisanji. We are truly grateful to Isabelle Falardeau, Yezid Alaya, and all the community who made it possible. I hope you find these features useful. Feel free to share your impressions in the comments.